Good morning. Today for lunch we are having flax bread, and all you need to do to make this low carb flax bread is flax meal, 1/4 cup, two large eggs, and you simply whisk this together. Until well combined. And then you're going to get a Pyrex pan. This is an 8x6. You can also use any other microwavable container. You can also make this in a toaster oven. I'd probably say 350 for like 15 minutes, give or take. You just spray it with that. I'm using a spray coconut oil. And you just pour that into your pan. And then you're going to microwave this for 3 to 4 minutes until set and firm. And then you'll flip it out over onto a cooling rack and cut it in half, and that'll give you 2 slices of flax bread. And the total carbs, all the carbs are going to come from the flax seed. It's only going to be 10 carbs, and it's going to have 8 grams of fiber. So very low glycemic and also very high in fiber. And that's the recipe for today.